Do you know that there are stocks that will pay you dividend every single month? Yes, I'm talking about getting paid dividend every single month, the same way you get paid salary every single month. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 4 stocks that pays dividend every single month consistently. Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is John Agbo, and over here on this channel, I talk about all things finance. So you may want to go ahead and subscribe to the channel by clicking on that subscribe button below the video, and do well to also turn on the bell icon so that once I publish a new video here, you will always get notifications from YouTube. So if you're the type that be looking for a way to invest your money in stocks so that you can be earning consistent passive income, then you want to look at investing in any of these 4 stocks, because these 4 stocks can pay you dividend every single month. The very first one is Main Street Capital. Main Street Capital is a company that actually gives out loans to small businesses in the US. So their main job is to give out loans to small business owners. And when these business owners run their business and they make profit and they return the loan with some interest. So out of the interest is where Main Street Capital pays their shareholders dividend. Main Street Capital has been paying dividend every month consistently since 2007. Yes, you heard me correctly. They've been paying dividend every single month since 2007. And presently, a share of Main Street Capital is trading for around $62. But the good news is that even though you don't have up to $62 to invest in Main Street Capital, you can buy fractional shares of Main Street Capital. So with your $1, with your $2, with your $5 or $10, you can still invest in this company and be getting paid dividend every month. The second stock that can pay you dividend monthly is Realty Income. Realty Income is also known as the dividend-paying company. This is not some kind of marketing hype. Realty Income actually earned this particular nickname for themselves because they've been paying dividend every month consistently for about 54 years now. Since 1969, Realty Income has been paying dividend every single month consistently to their shareholders without fail. So how exactly does Realty Income make their money? So Realty Income is a real estate investment trust. And as a real estate investment trust, they are mandated to pay out 90% of their profit as dividend to their shareholders. So Realty Income own commercial properties like gyms, supermarkets, convenience stores, grocery stores, and so many others. So when they receive rent from their tenants, a part of that rent is what they now pay out as dividend to all their shareholders. The annual dividend yield is about 5.6%, and presently, a share of Realty Income is trading for around $60. But then again, if you don't have the complete $60 to invest in Realty Income, you can buy fractional shares of these particular stocks. And the third stocks that can pay you dividend monthly is SPHD. SPHD is an ETF that tracks the top 50 high dividend and low volatility companies in the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 is also an ETF, but the S&P 500 ETF is an ETF that tracks the top 500 companies in the US. So if you are investing in the S&P 500, you are basically investing in the top 500 companies in the US. But out of these 500 companies in the US, not all of them are paying dividend. So the SPHD ETF is an ETF that tracks the top 50 high dividend paying companies inside the S&P 500. So by investing in SPHD, you are simply investing in the top 50 high dividend paying companies inside the S&P 500. The share price of SPHD is currently $49. So if you want to invest in SPHD, you can invest in these stocks with just $49. But if you don't have $49 to invest, then there is no need to worry because you can still buy fractional shares of these particular stocks. And the fourth stocks that can pay you dividend every month is Stag Industrial. Stag Industrial is also another real estate investment trust that focuses on warehouse and industrial properties. So by investing in Stag Industrial, think about it like owning an Amazon logistics chain and getting paid for it. The annual yield is about 4% and the current share price is around $34. So with just $34, you can invest in Stag Industrial. Now, these are the 4 stocks that can pay you a dividend every single month. So by investing in any of these stocks, you can be earning salary every single month. But the question is, how exactly do you invest in any of these stocks? You can invest in any of these stocks by using a stockbroker or any investment app. You can use platforms like Bamboo, you can use Yocha, you can use Optimus, you can use Trove, you can use RiseVest. All of these platforms gives you an opportunity to be able to invest in any of these stocks. But if you want to learn more on how to really get started with investing in stocks, you want to know exactly how to go about it step by step, then you can join my free stocks investment masterclass, where I go in deeper to break down everything for you step by step. So the link to join the free class is going to be down there in the description of this video. If you don't know how to go over to the video description, just click on the title of this video and then it's going to take you straight to the description of this video. Alternatively, just go over to the comment section. I'm going to pin the link to join the free training in the first comment of this video. So that will be all for now. I want to believe you find this very helpful. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you always get notified when next I upload a new and valuable video like this. I'll see you in the next one.